Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial on how to use Google Classroom. This is Umar with ATX Learning. Now that the students have been added, we can move on to communicating with them. This will be done in the Stream tab, which is the equivalent to a news feed on social media sites. Here, you will be able to interact with the students by posting content or reminders for them to keep in mind. The contents can range from a file stored on a drive or locally, a web link, or even a YouTube video. Just as other posts, these can be posted right away or at an appointed time. The students will also be able to post on the wall, but you have the option to mute them individually or from the settings where you can be the only one that can add posts here. Another thing to keep in mind is that the feed is chronological, so the newer articles push down the older ones. This is a great way to share informative content with your students as well as setting reminders of due dates and exams. Doing great so far. See you in the next one.